So I've been an audio fanatic for as long as I can remember. I literally have a dad that used to own a store selling amplifiers and sound systems, so safe to say I've grown up being surrounded by sound, which means I'm quite particular in how certain headphones or earphones produce audio. Do they have a good frequency response? How are they tuned? Do they sound natural? So when Raycon sent us their everyday earbuds, I was thoroughly excited about testing them out. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's dive in. So here we have two boxes, one with the earbuds themselves and the other that's a protective case. Looking at the charge case, it feels pretty solid and durable. We also went for the black colored variant, but you'll be able to purchase a multitude of colors like blue, green, purple, and etc. The protective case is also super customizable. We ended up going with the concrete theme, but others can be purchased on their website. Overall though, the cosmetic side of things are great. The footprint of the device is super compact and doesn't feel like you're carrying around another full device in your pockets. The exterior features are simple but substantial. We've got an LED indicator, a Type-C port for charging, and a symbol at the back showing wireless charging capabilities. Some quick features Raycon is stating is a crazy 32-hour battery life with capacity with 8 hours of playtime, which trumps some other brands out there for longevity. An IP66 waterproof rating, so water splashes aren't an issue, and active noise cancelling, which is always a good feature to have at the affordable price range these earphones are at. Obviously, talking about all these features, we had to test some of them to get our own thoughts on it. So we started with active noise cancelling. I essentially went out to numerous types of atmospheres like busy streets, train stations, and other high density areas, and found it to be quite impressive. The earbuds fit nicely without it feeling uncomfortable, which means a good seal. So overall, not bad. The next feature is awareness mode. This essentially increases your audible surroundings, so you'll be able to focus externally apart from your music. This is also a great result. This gives just enough audible input in your ears that it doesn't sound and feel uncomfortable. Straight A's in this department. In terms of any sort of connection loss, I experienced no such thing. The reason I'm saying this is because sometimes when you're in a really busy area, some wireless devices can start to cut out intermittently, but this pair had no such issues in such busy areas. This essentially makes these earphones really versatile with any setting you throw at them, which means a smoother and more enjoyable audio experience. Now, the main point of getting earphones is because of the audio quality it produces for the most part aside from comfortability. I've been testing these for just over a week now, and I've come to the conclusion that they sound okay. Now, don't get me wrong. For the price you pay strictly within the wireless area of audio, they sound great. But overall, as an audio experience, I think they naturally sound a little bit muddy in the mid frequencies and harsh in the high ends. So hi-hat sounds, S sounds and lyrics, and other higher frequency responses sound a little bit too sharp. This is where I would usually say you could slightly improve this by heading to a companion app and trying out some in-house basic EQing. Not much, but basic. But Raycon currently doesn't have anything like that at the moment. Overall though, for what you get straight out of the box, it sounds good enough for quality. I think these earphones are definitely a good set to add to your collection. Massive battery life, splash-proof, peaceful active noise cancelling, and a non-intrusive awareness mode, and full color case customization, that's a big one. This ticks the boxes for me for an enjoyable listening experience for my music, games, podcasts, and movies. FPPC 100% approves this tech. Besides that, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.